Indonesia is known as the land of spices and sweetness. One of the culinary heritage that is still preserved until now is palm sugar. In this video, we will witness the traditional process of making palm sugar directly from the source, the palm tree that grows in the countryside. The process begins with tapping the sap. Farmers climb 10 to 20 meters high sugar palm trees to collect sap from the male flowers of the tree. Every morning and evening, the sap that comes out will be collected in a natural container such as bamboo or what is called a lodong. This clear liquid has a sweet aroma and is ready to be cooked. The collected palm sap is then cooked on a traditional stove or hau using firewood. This process can take up to 3 hours. During the boiling process, the sap must be stirred continuously so that it does not burn. The clear liquid will turn brown and thicken. After the sap has completely thickened, the mixture is poured into mold made of coconut shells or bamboo. This is where the sugar begins to solidify. In less than an hour, the palm sugar will harden and be ready to be packaged. No preservatives, natural, healthy, and full of benefits. The farmer said that is a hereditary job. Palm sugar is not only a source of income, but also their identity. Palm sugar is not just a product, but a reflection of local wisdom that we should preserve. From tree to stove, from sweet to taste. This is how palm sugar is traditionally made. Let's support local products and preserve Indonesia's cultural heritage.